So yesterday I shared my top 5 recommendations of Korean books that has been translated into English. So I thought 5 more wouldn't hurt, would it? So here's my another 5 favorite Korean books. The first on my list is The Good Son by Jong Yoo Jong, a dark, high tension psychological thriller. The protagonist of this book wakes up covered in blood and discovers his mother dead. The search for answers turns him inward and forces him to confront his memory, identity, and family dynamics. It's good if you like twisty thrillers, unreliable narrators, or if you like a sense of unsettling atmosphere. The second on my list is The City of Ash and Red by Pyon Hai Young. It's a surreal dystopian novel about a rat catcher who is sent abroad. He gets stranded in a quarantine city and gets increasingly isolated and desperate. The story examines themes like alienation, breakdown of society, and existential fear. You will like it if you like Kafka's settings, existential dread, or if you like reading horror psychological fiction. The third on my list is At Night He Lifts Weights by Kang Young Suk. This book is actually a collection of short stories. They range in tone, but many have an uncanny or unsettling undercurrent. It talks about like ecological disaster, loneliness, weird surreal threads in everyday life, blah blah. If you like short form pieces with reflective, haunting stuff, then this book is a must read. The fourth on my list is The Vegetarian by Han Kang. It's a quite popular book which has won major awards. In this book, a woman decides to stop eating meat after a disturbing nightmare. And this triggers a profound transformation in her and those around her. This book deals with themes like uh, body dysmorphia, repression, societal norms, etc. You'll like it if you like strong symbolism and emotional depth. The last on my list, again, not the least, is The Hole by Pyon Hai Yoon. This is an intense novel where a man wakes from a coma. His wife is dead. He is paralyzed and cared for by his mother in law. The tension builds in claustrophobic spaces. So you will like it if you like, again, psychological thrillers. I've realized that I read a lot of psychological thrillers nowadays. Anyway, if you like psychological thrillers, then this book is for you. Again, do let me know if you want me to suggest more Korean books that has been translated into English because I've been reading a lot of them these days. Bye.